Before we begin, wash and sanitize yours and your client's hands thoroughly. Next, trim your client's nails if necessary. Then, shape with a 240 grit file. Once satisfied with the shape, use a cuticle pusher without Swiss guard and gently push back the cuticle. There's no need to scrape the nail plate. Just gently push it back because we're going to let our e-file do the work for us. When you're done, remove the excess dust. Next, grab your prepper bit and secure it into your handpiece. Leave a little bit of space between the top of the bit and the shaft. Now, on the slowest speed, run it along the cuticle line to remove any excess cuticle growth from the nail plate. Remember to move the bit in one direction. I'm going from the left sidewall to the right sidewall for each finger. Also, only focus around the cuticle line. There's no need to go to the middle of the nail plate. See all this white dust? Don't be alarmed. It's dead cuticles being exfoliated from the nail plate. Remove all excess dust. If needed, remove hangnails with your AccuNet. Then gently buff nails with the 220 side of your 220/280 flex to smooth everything out. This is a good time to buff under the free edge as well. Okay, here's a good example of more hangnails appearing after buffing. It's no big deal, just simply nip it away, then dust off the nails again. Now that nails are smooth, wipe down the nail surface to remove any residue. And last but not least, apply 1 coat of Bond-Aid. then allow the nails to dry. So there you have it, perfectly prepped nails that are ready for a splash of gel color.